Well, we finally got the Taurus G3 out at the range to put some rounds through this. I don't know if you remember from one of the previous episodes of Into the Fray, I really like the Taurus G2. This is the full-sized gun. Taurus is calling it their full-sized gun. 15-round magazine and a 17-round magazine in the box. 4-inch barrel, 9mm. That's only 1.2 inches wide. That means this gun pretty much mimics the outline of a Glock 19, except it is thinner, a little bit easier to carry, and probably just about half price, or maybe only 60% of the cost of a Glock 19. So Taurus is definitely competing in that market space right now. What I'd like to do is just grab a few rounds. I've preloaded one magazine here, put a few rounds downrange and see how this thing runs. Range is hot. Just like the G2, we got a frame mounted safety. Down is a fire position, up is a safe position. Let's put some rounds downrange and see how it goes. I'm really happy with that. Very similar trigger to the G2, which means it's a little bit spongy. It's not a match grade trigger. It's definitely a combat shooting gun, but really nice 3-dot sights on the backside and just a great feel all around for this gun. So if you're interested in a gun that's the size of a Glock 19, carries a couple more rounds of ammo with this 17-round magazine from a Glock 19, you might want to take a look at this Taurus G3. Again, 4-inch barrel, about 5.5 inches overall length, 7 inches overall height, about the same size as a Glock 19, but just a little bit thinner, maybe a little bit easier to carry. Let's keep this conversation going. What's your favorite everyday carry gun? Would you carry this Taurus G3? Tell us down below. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. And up there somewhere is a notification bell. Click on that little bell. We'll notify you every single time we come out with a new video.